Welcome to the Rapid Room 1500 and 2500 installation guide. Here's a few tips to help prepare for installation. First, always install Rapid Room panels with 2 people. To avoid injury, clear the surrounding area and wear proper PPE at all times. Step 1. Select your starter panel. This is the panel that will be placed against a wall and installed first. Remove the 2 shoulder bolts from this panel and set them aside for use on another project. Step 2. Positioning the starter panel. Place the panel tight against the wall, ensuring there are no gaps for air or dust to pass. Loosen the black knobs and lift the adjustable panel tight against the ceiling. While holding the panel up against the ceiling, tighten the black knobs. Be careful not to over-tighten and damage the panel. Step 3. Leveling the panel. Using a level, check to make sure the panel is installed straight and make any necessary adjustments. Uneven floors may require shimming. This is especially important when installing a Rapid Room door. Step 4. Secure the panel to the ceiling. In this step you'll use the ceiling clip and the matching hex key included in the hardware bag. To ensure easy installation, unscrew the threaded bar that is attached to the ceiling clip as much as possible. Next, slide the threaded bar into the slot on the back of the panel. Then, clamp the ceiling clip around the edges of the ceiling grid. Once everything is in position, tighten the wing nut and hex bolt to lock the panel in place. Step 5. Connect the next panel. Connect the panels by lifting and aligning the shoulder bolts of the new panel with the keyhole slots of the starter panel. Once the shoulder bolts are properly positioned, quickly drop the panel into place. When connected properly, there should be little to no gap between the rubber seals of each panel. Complete the panel installation by pushing the panel tightly against the ceiling and securing it with the ceiling clip shown in Step 4. You may now continue the installation by installing the remaining panels, repeating the same steps and securing each panel to the ceiling as you go. Please see the Imperial video library for details on installing accessories such as doors and adjustable hinges. When the project is complete, you'll need to remove and store the panels. To remove the panels, first detach the ceiling clip. Next, loosen the black knobs and lower the adjustable panel. To detach the panel, lift straight up and then out. If the shoulder bolt is caught in the keyhole slot, it may require some slight up and down movement to free it. Thank you for watching the Rapid Room 1500 and 2500 installation guide. If you have any questions, visit our website at imperialprivacy.com or call us at 954-782-7130.